Welcome to this week's video, and we're checking out one of the latest 50p coins from the Royal Mint, and this is the second coin in the Winnie the Pooh series, and this one is Christopher Robin. So this is how it arrived from the Royal Mint, in this new style with the non-classic handbag from the Royal Mint, which I'm slowly getting used to, but I'll have to. And that is the back. Let's get into it though and have a look at all the information that we get. And there we go. That's the front again and the back, which we'll come on to in a second because it's got all that information that we need. But let's have a look at the information inside first of all. So Christopher Robin, and we've got the obverse of the coin, which we'll come on to after we've looked at the coin specs. But as usual, what we're going to do is just scan along here quickly. And if you want to have a read of anything, feel free to pause it and have a read at your own pace. I really am enjoying this series so far, more than anything because of the illustrations inside. They look amazing. Christopher Robin, the dreamy boy at the heart of the stories about Winnie the Pooh and his friends, continues our delightful series. And just like I said, the illustrations again, it almost looks like each one's been painted onto these cards. They look great. And now we move over to the coin specs, and obviously it's a 50p coin. The alloy is copper nickel, the weight is 8 grams, diameter 27.30 millimeters. The quality is brilliant and circulated, obverse designer Jody Clark, and then the reverse designer, the Walt Disney Company. And now moving over to the coin, we'll start off with the obverse of the coin. 2020, 50p, Jody Clark's 5th portrait of the Queen, and true to form, white card makes my lights flicker. And then finally we have the reverse of the coin. Christopher Robin dragging Winnie the Pooh down the stairs, and what a great design. Obviously we've already seen the illustrations on the card, so you can see where that image has come from. And then once again, for me, the icing on the cake is the fact that we've got Disney written on a 50p coin. I love it. There we go. This is the second coin in the series, and obviously we've had Winnie the Pooh. This is Christopher Robin, and I'm loving this series so far. The coins are great, and to be honest with you, the illustrations are just really cool. I'm loving the presentation and the packaging. So let me know in the comment section below, have you been buying this series so far? And if so, have you been buying them in brilliant uncirculated? And which versions have you been getting? Let me know in the comment section below because it always interests me. If you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button because I release new coin content weekly. Thanks for watching!